Hi, this is Scott, MFA candidate, Savannah College of Art and Design, and this is an overview of my working wall for the Methods of Contextual Research class. Alright, so we take a high-level look at the wall. I'm going to have it laid out in a grid, and on the left we start with the design brief from project overview to the appendix, and I pulled out the deliverables, the timeline, field guides. I will be using poems, people, objects, environments, messages, services. So I'm kind of trying to figure out how to play that into the bigger wall, where I've started with PTI1, which is a person with tattoos, interview 1, and that goes, each row then is 1 through 5. So each of those is an interview down to 2 tattoo artists and the shop. That's Monkey Fist Tattoos that I've already started to visit. And then across the top for the columns we have artifacts. So this will be images, advertising cards, business cards, online advertisements, advertisers in newspapers, or anything like that that I can find. Quotes is the next column. So this will be quotes that stood out during the interviews. You can see one already starting to build on the first interviewee. The delights experienced by the interviewees, or in the case of the shop in general. Frustrations from a person individually down to the tattoo shop and its owner. Questions that arise in the interview about processes or what ifs, that sort of thing. Observations, just general observations and notes that seem important to get down, and then consistencies and congruencies. And here we'll just start to look at similar things people are saying. You can see some of the frustrations that are already starting to pop out with person with tattoo interview 1 and interview 2. Frustrations are bad artists, and bad artists lead to having to have your work redone, which is probably not a pleasant experience. I think after that we'll go a little beautiful mind on this and start connecting the dots and really getting in and recording those consistencies and answering the questions that we've outlined in the design brief. That is all.